In the process of getting my certification, I was learning something that helped control risk.
It shows that I've met a standard. So it shows people that I've got some practical knowledge to complement the book knowledge that I have.
And it has been able to take me to new heights.
Having a certification gives me an advantage because, again, it shows the book knowledge and practical knowledge combination. When people are looking for candidates for the type of work that I do, they want someone who knows how to be a leader and a manager, but also has the practical knowledge to be able to say that I've got the certification, I've done the work of a personal trainer, is really what people are looking for.
When you have a person that's either trying to prevent disease or manage disease, they would typically have to go to a number of different individual organizations or services to be able to have their needs met. Having that, credential and being able to be seen in the health profession, in the medical industry, as one that sets themselves apart, it has been a tremendous advantage for us here.
When I was studying for the certification, I began to meet these folks who were either already certified financial planner practitioners or studying for it. Many of them, my teachers, were members of that association, and as you know, that group supports the certification and the values that underlie that certification, which are total transparency, putting the needs of the client first.
Through my affiliation with the American Council on Exercise, I've met a wide variety of people from all across the country. I've attended conferences, I've been able to get involved in an industry panel, and even after those meetings are done, you're back in your office, it's really nice to be able to reach out to somebody and say, hey, I've got this problem, what do you think about this?
So when we're looking for employees, obviously it's a difficult choice sometimes because individuals may look and appear like they have identical or very similar qualities, but that certification that is from an accredited organization really is used when we make that decision to hire a new employee.
One of the things that I'm able to do through my affiliation with the American Council on Exercise is to get a better sense as to how to address trends like that. When certain modalities, new modalities come out, is it something we want to add to our programs and services? Is it just a flash in the pan type of trend? And how do we go about addressing that when maybe our competition does it and we don't? So that's an example of how we benefit.
All of my clients either came to me with an understanding that they wanted to talk to a certified financial planner, or they came to appreciate what putting their needs first meant.
Anytime, there's some sort of a standard in place or a benchmark, it's important. It means that the person who's pursued this certification has an ambition to be the best that he or she can be.
I talked to a potential client several years ago and asked, what is it that you look for in a personal trainer? She said personality, common interests, someone that can help achieve her goals. And I said, what about knowledge and certifications? Don't you look for that? She said, well, I assume they have it. You've hired them. So I think that's one thing the certification brings to the table, is it does a little bit of the legwork for the clients as well.
We should always be learning and never consider that the certification is the end all. A certification is not the end, but it's the beginning to a new means and potentially a new life.
The job I may have in 5 years may not even exist yet. So having certification coupled with my experience, my education, really is just going to help open those doors even more.